Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the genetic code. So let's start with it. First of all, in the transcription process, we make an mRNA or the general RNA from the DNA. The DNA information is being coded in the mRNA, right? So there is a certain sequence of nucleotides on the RNA, right? So there are certain number of sequences. For example, this sequence is very important and it tells us about the amino acid sequences in a polypeptide chain. This sequence of nucleotides is called a genetic code because this sequence decides what will be the amino acid sequence in our polypeptide chains. So there were many scientists who gave their contribution in telling us about the information on genetic code. So let us know about all these scientists. So the first scientist who told us about genetic code is George Gamow. He suggested that the genetic code must be of 3 bases to code for 20 amino acids. 20 amino acids. Why? Because we have in total 4 bases A, U, C, G in an RNA. And if we take its power 3, because the genetic code, he suggested that it should be a triplet. Like there should be the 3 sequences of the genetic code. So here I have written 3. So it will be 64. Right? So there will be 64 combination of sequences which will code for 20 amino acids. Right? Now next scientist is Hargobind Khorana. A chemical method for synthesizing RNA molecules with a defined base combinations to develop the genetic code. Right? So now our next scientist is Marshall Nirenberg. He artificially synthesized proteins to understand the nature of the codons, like how codons work. So he artificially synthesized the proteins to study the genetic code. Now there was the last scientist whose name was Severo Ochoa. This scientist, he took polynucleotide phosphorylate which helped in polymerizing RNA with defined sequences in a template independent manner. That means he used an enzyme, polynucleotide phosphorylase, to synthesize the RNA. Right? So this is all about genetic code. I hope you understand this topic. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. Thank you so much for today and have a great day.